6.793 trillion pesos na budget inaprobahan ni Marcos. Isang linggong pinagtalunan,
Pagkat wala po akong nakikitang budget ng DPWH at kung talagang transparency ang habol natin, bakit wala rito ang pinagmulan ng pagpopoot at kawalang kampiyansa ng taong bayan sa atin? Bakit po walang budget yung DPWH?
Ang schedule po ng DPWH ay bukas po.
isang linggong reenacted budget,
Hindi certified third in itong bill. So, on Friday, ma-approve third reading, magpiprint pa eh. Diba? So, and then by cam. So, malabo yung reenacted budget. Saka, hindi kami papayag.
No, walang reenact.
We can now confidently say, ngayon natapos na po yung BICAM, there will be no reenacted budget.
Nasa kamay na ng Pangulo ngayon yan. Kung madelay man sila, ilang araw lang. O siguro, pwede mong masabing nagkaroon ng reenacted budget for 2 days, 3 days, 5 days. Eh, noong panahon nga namin nila, President Duterte, 3 months nga yung reenacted eh. Di ba?
isang linggong kinilatis daw ni BBM at ng kanyang gabinete. Pero bakit ang sabi ng kapatid niya, may pork pa rin daw?
Pero the reality is, the claim that it's the cleanest is prone to challenge. It's certainly the sneakiest. Kumbaga, yung pork, tinadtad-tad, pinarte-parte, at binahabahagi, pero kahit giniling pa yan, ang pork, baboy pa rin.
Mahigit isang linggo matapos ratipikahan ng Senado at House of Representatives ang 2026 bicameral report,
I move that we approve and ratify the Conference Committee report on the disagreeing votes on House Bill number 4058. I so move.
Any objection? Chair is none. The Conference Committee report on the disagreeing votes on House Bill 4058 is hereby approved and ratified.
Thank you, Mr. President.
All those in favor of the conference committee report say aye. Aye. All those against say nay. The ayes have it. The said conference committee report is ratified.